Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at Double Click. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I'm drawing the winner for the January-February 2024 hashtag Double Click Connect Challenge. These are the entries that I received for those 2 months. Good luck to everyone that entered, and thank you so much for all your support and entering my challenge. My current challenge that is going on is the March-April 2024. It runs from March 1st until April 30th. You can use the colors green or yellow, St. Patrick's Day, or Easter. Prize is a baggie of mixed dewdrops. The current release we have right here is the March-April 2024 is currently available in my Etsy shop, or you can send me a direct message on Instagram. If you do send me a message on Instagram and I don't respond for some reason, if someone sends me a direct message, it hides it. I have no idea why, but you could just leave me a comment and then I can go onto your name and then I will see the message. Not really familiar with Instagram. This is the new release if you're interested in that. The prize for the January-February is this set of mixed dewdrops. So let's go ahead and pick a number. We have numbers 1 through 32. And we're going to hit generate. And we have number 27. Let's see who that is. And that is Enos, Paper Crafting with Enos. Yay, congratulations, Enos. I don't know if you've ever won one of my prizes before. Thank you so much, Enos. I have your address, so I will just go ahead and drop these dewdrops in the mail to you. Thank you guys so much for supporting my channel and my small business. We have just a few weeks left of our really nice weather, and soon I will be back in my craft room like I used to be. I do have a giveaway as well as a one-on-one swap that is going to be coming up. Stay tuned for that. I thank you guys so much for stopping by and have a great day. Bye guys.